Over the weekend, Eleuthera, or the island of Freedom, recorded its first case of the coronavirus, news that residents on that island feared and didn't expect for many months. North Eleuthera Member of Parliament Ricky Mackey says a team of stakeholders comprising of health officials, police and chief councillors of the North Eleuthera district sprung into action to map out a stringent COVID-19 plan to keep the numbers of the deadly virus at bay.
The purpose of that meeting was how to mitigate or to stop further community spread of this virus. As you can imagine, there was much fear in reference to the announcement of this recorded case of COVID-19. However, we believe with the strict enforcement of the protocols as it relates to COVID-19, we will be able to stop further community spread.
Additionally, Mackey says there has also been some contentious discussions on whether or not the ferryboat service operations between Spanish Wells, Harbour Island and the mainland of Eleuthera should continue due to the increase in panic and fears by residents.
It was a consensus by those a part of this meeting that with strict enforcement of protocols, the wearing of masks, the social distancing, that these measures would be sufficient enough to stop community spread. We are perfectly aware of the varying views as to how to deal with COVID-19. There are those whose fear is so great that they would wish us to shut down entirely. And then there are those who are faced with the harsh reality of having to take care of their families and to meet the commitments of bills.